Hey people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to be having a hair wash. This is my daughter's hair. We are going to be washing her hair today. You can see some flakes in her hair, some whitish things. So these things are so many all over her hair. So I'm going to be giving her hair a thorough wash today. And guess what, people? I am going to be washing her hair using black soap. So I got this black soap online. This is a very powerful soap. So black soap, you can use it, for some skin troubles, or to kill some of all these dandruff or flakes on the hair. So this is why I am using this black soap. Very, very powerful soap. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this soap to wash the hair, and how you can also use it effectively to wash your hair, the scalp especially. So people, I'm going to start by wetting the hair. So this is winter. I'm using warm water, so I'm testing the water.
Do you see me?
You're enjoying the water. Okay.
Yeah. This is better.
Yeah. Sorry guys, because of the way the camera is positioned, I hope you can still see her hair as I wash the hair. So the first thing you have to do is to thoroughly wet the hair. Make sure water gets to the scalp especially. So I'm going to make sure the scalp is very wet before applying the black soap. So next I'll be using this black soap. So guys, I'm going to cut here with scissors. And here is the soap wrapped in another nylon. So there are different types of black soap. You can buy any one of your choice. So I actually saw this one online and I ordered a little, although I've used it before. So I'm going to apply it all over the hair. This soap is a very powerful soap, I tell you. It's used for so many things, to cure skin trouble, so many things that troubles the skin. And also when you use it to wash your scalp, you will just know that your scalp will feel so clean, and the itchiness will stop. So it's a very strong soap to try. So I'm going to gently rub it everywhere. The soap is completely round the hair and very well in the scalp. Now I'm going to give it some, scratches. This scratching they call it. I'm going to rub it deep down using my fingers just to make sure it gets to the scalp. So I'm doing this in a gentle way. Scratch off the itchiness or the itchy part of the hair. So I'm gonna do this gently all around the hair. Can you try and bend your hair again? So guys, because of the way our camera is positioned, I hope I'm really getting this thing. I hope you guys can see thoroughly what I'm doing. So I'm trying to, deeply massage the soap into the scalp. This way you are helping her to give the hair a good scratch so as to remove all those itchiness in the hair and to allow the soap to work effectively. So this is a traditional soap that is used for so many things, A lot of people knows very well about black soap. and they use it for all kind of skin trouble. So you can also use it to wash your hair, like give your hair a thorough wash. So at this point in time, I'll still rub more of this soap because I really want enough of this soap in her hair. Okay guys, so one more time again, I'm going to gently give it a deep massage, making sure the scalp gets enough of the black soap to attack those unwanted things in her scalp or on her scalp. I tell you, after using this black soap for a very long time, you will not feel any itchiness in your hair because those things will be thoroughly attacked. So people, next I'm going to wrap up this hair. I have with me Sarah wrap. I'm going to, keep the hair like this. You can see it's easy to wrap this way because the water is not dripping or the soap is not falling. That is why I said the most important thing first to do before applying the soap is to wet the hair. When you wet the hair, you use the water that is on the hair, that the hair retains, to apply the black soap. And at this point, we are going to wrap it, and she will carry it for a few minutes. So depending on your time, just allow the person to carry it for a few minutes. You can even carry it for 1 hour. It's okay. The longer the better. Okay, so I'm going to wash off the soap in my own hands. I tell you, this is no joke at all. So people, this is my wrap hair. I'm going to be using this nylon to wrap the hair so that the soap, so that the scalp will fully absorb all the nutrients, all the contents of the soap, and help it to work effectively. So I'm only wrapping her head, So you can see I just make sure I wrap the hair very well. And I tell you, in a few minutes, it will start feeling warm. You will feel the warmness of the hair. So people, she's going to carry it like this for some few minutes. If you want it to stay longer on your hair, you can carry it for hours. It's okay. It's not gonna break your hair. Rather, it's going to, work more on your hair. So people, she's going to carry it like this for actually some few minutes, and then we will wash off the soap. Okay guys, see you guys after some minutes. So guys, few minutes later, here is what we have. I'm going to be taking off this Sarah wrap. Wow.
All the soap is on my face there.
The hair feels so warm. So very warm. So now I am going to scrub the hair one more time. This time a little much stronger than before. And wash the hair properly. So this time I'm not going to wash the hair properly, because the scalp have really absorbed take it off a bit. So here is our olive oil. We are going to be using it as the oil for the hair. So this is another natural, you know, oil you can find in your kitchen or in a departmental store. So using this olive oil, very good. It helps the hair not to be dry because dry hair breaks easily. So after washing the hair, you know, you just apply oil on the hair to retain some oil instead of the hair to just be completely dried. Instead of having a dry hair, it's good that your hair have some oil. It helps the hair, you know, not to break because dry hair breaks very easily. So I'm going to be applying this oil. So guys, we are applying olive oil. This will help the hair not to stay so dry because dry hair breaks very easily. At this point in time, her scalp is looking so clean, like so clean. Where are all the flakes? Where are all those flakes that were here before? Her scalp is looking clean. So guys, we just applied olive oil to her hair because we don't want the hair to stay dry and, you know, start breaking. After washing the hair, you know, that means your hair might be looking so very dry. The best thing is just to apply oil. You can use olive oil. You can use any other oil of your choice. But don't just carry a dry hair, and that can actually cause hair breakage to your hair. So you can choose to leave it like this, or you can just choose to, you know, do some natural quick hairstyle. So I'm going to, you know, braid the hair a little this way. So this is nothing so special, just a quick hairdo. I'm going to braid everything this way and allow it to dry naturally. I'm not using any hair blower or dryer to dry the hair. No. So I'm just going to repeat this all over the hair. So guys, here is our well-washed hair. You can see the scalp. Oh my goodness, looking all clean. Look at it. Well-washed scalp, well-washed hair. The itchiness have really stopped. So this is one beautiful and effective way to use your black soap. So this is one good way to use black soap to wash your hair. I tell you, this is no joke at all. Your hair will feel so clean and fresh, and all those itchiness, all those flakes, all those things will just, you know, go off on its own. So people, after applying the oil, I decided to just do this quick hairdo just to, you know, help the hair to not to really tangle so much or feel hard when I'm brushing the hair, because her hair is still a very natural hair. And I hope this video helps someone out there in case you are feeling this itchiness in your scalp or on your scalp and you are wondering what to do or how to properly wash your hair. So you can use any hair product of your choice. I do use, you know, different hair products, but today I decided to use African black soap because it is a natural soap, natural hair, natural soap, and they are very effective soap, you know, that cures all kind of skin troubles, as well as all the unwanted things on your hair or your scalp. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. I'll catch up with you all in the comment section. See you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and leave us beautiful comments, and of course please do subscribe. It means a lot to us. See you guys in our next video.
Bye.
You want to share them your hair? How do you feel?
I feel the hair is not itchy, and it's fairly soft. I can feel the softness of my hair.
Oh, that's so beautiful. See you guys in our next video.
See you.